morning! So today, we're actually heading to... Parang nasa langit nito. It's so white at the back. Parang nasa langit! No. Today we are heading actually dentist appointment. Mine, I made noodles, ramen, and then I put some spinach on and egg on it. Para at least healthy siya a little bit. Healthy! At ito talaga yung kinukuha ko basta nagmamadali ako. Kakain muna ako and see you in a bit. There you go! I'm back! So, get ready. Yung mga ganitong chillax na weather. Here in Texas kasi mainit. Nagagamit ko yung mga things ko na I brought from Philippines. Medyo chichirikay siya. By the way, it's Saturday today. So hindi traffic dito during Saturday or weekend. We're already here, guys, at the clinic. Look at what they have. This is for kids. The first one, I didn't have insurance. I think, but this one I have it. Hi! I know.
Good to see you.
It's
How's
so
everything
good.
been?
Right.
Okay, yeah. Well, we can see if you want to do today, it is a 3-hour procedure normally. Today, if we did, it's a 5-hour procedure. So I just want to make sure you know the time involved in it. And if you decide so, I just got to take a look at it, make sure it didn't get worse. And then we'll be able to kind of know from there. And we're looking out for you. Any pain today, though? Or anything?
No.
Okay. And so we'll look at it a little closer, and it may be better. It's up to you, but I know it's Saturday, and I want you to enjoy your day.
And then I want to get it done.
No worries. But we do it today. No problem. I'll get everything set up. She'll take a few more x-rays just to make sure nothing's changed. We'll go from there.
After doing job about my root canal, though it's not finished yet, I need to go back next week. And after that, I have to wait for my permanent tooth after 2 weeks. So 3 weeks in all. Yeah, right. I'm making a dinner right now. Hindi ako makakakain ng something matigas. This is an easy way of making meal. Like, i-wrap mo lang siya, parang siyang shawarma. So you can put anything you want there, meat and vegetables. So we still have the fajitas, because I can't eat that. And then I'll be eating this. Kasi yung pinagawa ko, guys, yung sa Pinas pa yon, yung pinastahan ko na maliit, tapos lumala siya. Naka-feel na ako discomfort pag na-notice ko yung yung fast movement of my teeth direction. Tapos ganun siya. Kaya pag mag-smile ako, na siya, parang they're moving forward and hindi siya talaga ganito actually. So ganun. I honestly don't like wearing brace, but that's the only thing that the dentist suggested me. Actually, gusto ko yan, na-realize ko yan when nandun pa ako sa California, and then I start talking to our client lively, like personally. Then hindi ko maiwasan tumingin sa ngipin, and I think that's natural kahit sino. So na-realize ko na I have to fix mine because it's awful, and I have to admit na I lost confidence. Some you are not confident enough to open your mouth because you are aware that your teeth is not in good position. Ganon. I have my appointment for my temporary tooth that they need to put in. So today guys, this is my session. So they're just going to put a fake temporary tooth in my root canal. Okay, last week this is the root canal procedure that they did to my tooth. So what you can see is they take the dark side of it because it's already causing me pain, and then they clean it up and then remove this part right here. Then that's how it looks like. And they remove the nerve that's already infected. And then yeah. So I'm here right now too. Okay, so this is now my transaction today. We're gonna put some temporary tooth in my root canal. Here, this one is a temporary tooth. Look at this temporary tooth right here. Hi guys, so right now I'm at a dental office, so I have an emergency appointment today because I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I wanted to get it done today because we will be having a vacation after this. So I am
Today? Oh my gosh.
hi. That's my dentist.
Very lucky.
I'm done with my dental appointment for today, and that's for my permanent tooth.